Hi guys, Miss Davis here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 5, Lesson 5. And in this lesson, we're talking about being able to make a new shape from composite shapes. So, whenever we're doing this lesson, we actually use tangrams to make new shapes. Now, what is tangrams? Well, tangrams is actually made of 7 different shapes, or they're not all different, to use and create new shapes. Tangrams consist of 2 big triangles, 2 small triangles, 1 medium triangle, 1 parallelogram, and also 1 square. And putting all those together actually makes 1 big square. Okay, so we were looking at this, and we were making new shapes or other shapes that we knew of. So we used 3 triangles to make a trapezoid. So looking at this picture right here, this is again Tom's work, just like we did the other 2 videos. And so looking at Tom's work, we were able to see that he used 1, 2, 3 triangles. But remember, just like whenever we use those pattern blocks, we have to make sure that they are close together. Because look at poor Tom's picture. They have all of these gaps right here. If he would have put them close together, it would not have been like that. It would have been more like this, if I can draw it correctly. It would have been more like this. Instead, and it would have made it easier for you to understand and see exactly what the trapezoid looks like, to really get that visual of being able to see, oh, this is the trapezoid. Alright guys, that's it for this video.